Hello, in this video we're going to introduce the boy rig and how to work with it for this assignment. Here is the boy rig, and as you can see now, it's a little bit difficult to select those controls by having the joints on. So I'm going to go to Show, None, Show, NURBS, Curves, Show, Polygons, and change the lighting to use all lights. At this point, we have a more manageable situation. In the display area here, I am going to render the geometry and the joints, but as you see here now, I cannot select them, so that's really nice. I'm only going to be able to select the controls, which is going to make our lives a lot easier as well. We're going to start by talking about the feet and the pole vectors. Here is a foot that moves from the bottom of the foot, and the knee now is affected by this, the lower leg and the upper leg. This foot is set to IK, and we know that because of the way it's moving, and also because in the channel box when I select that control, I see that the FK-IK switch is set to 1 for on. If I change that to 0, we are now faced with animating a forward kinematics leg, and that is by rotating each of those segments to reach our desired position. This is, many animators have their preferences on how they like to animate arms and legs in certain situations, whether FK or IK, but for this assignment we're going to work with these legs in IK. And I'm going to get that back. One thing we need to do, though, to make this more functional is to show the pole vector arrow visibility, to put that on. And you'll see that purple arrow above the hips. And what that does is control the rotation of the knee, which is very useful. I'm going to go ahead and select the other foot and ensure that we are able to see the other pole vector. This is really important at the very beginning before you do any animation or make any scripts, so that we can include all these controls in our selection process.